Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Amazon unboxing. I have this box, we have this, and I have something else that I'm going to unbox today. So I hope you guys are going to like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I wanted white towels in my new toilet, you guys. So I got 2 sets of these towels. They come in 2. These are body towels, you guys. They have this in so many different colors, but I chose white because I wanted it in white. They are so huge, you guys. This will be perfect for my husband because he's using 2 towels, you guys. One for the part up and one for the part down. So I think this one will be enough for him. Another thing that I got, you guys, are these. I don't know how they call this actually, but because it's super windy and now it's summer and we like to open our doors, so I am going to put this behind the wall so that we can protect our wall from the doors handles. So yes, I'm going to show you like how I'm going to use this. Another thing that I got, you guys, is this organizer container. I'm going to open this first. This organizer container, you guys, and this is how they are. I am going to organize my drawer in my toilet, so that's why I got this. I'm sure they will be super useful, you guys. Let me open. This is the size, and the smaller ones are like these. And we have 3 of these. This is how they are. is nice. It has so good, you guys. This one, okay, and this is our steamer, you guys. Not too heavy, perfect, you guys. Okay, I am going to put the picture of the steamer here so that you can see like how you are going to assemble everything. My favorite part is this like mopping steamer, this one, which you assemble with this. And another thing that I like, you guys, is this one. This is my favorite part because I'm going to use this to clean my oven. I hope you guys will like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next. Bye bye.